Student, digestion in the buccal cavity. Today topic: the smell and the sight, the taste, everything is needed. The trigger from the mouth means because of the enzyme only responsible. So that is which result in the secretion of the saliva. It is a mechanical support. Tylen is secreted in that, in the moisturizing antibacterial agent, lysosomes, and lubricating agent, mucus is present in that. The bolus is there. Everything we are discussing in a live class. So digestion in the stomach, it is chyme is there present in that, and then go for the digestion in the small intestine. The bile, pancreatic juice and intestinal juice are the secretion released into the small intestine. So it movement help through the mixing of the food in the various secretion intestine and thereby facilitate digestion. The pancreatic juice contain enzymes such as trypnosin, chymotrypsin and carboxypeptidase, pancreatic amylase, pancreatic lipase and nucleus trypnosin activated enzyme. So underline these and all. Everything is secreted by the intestinal mucus into active trypsin, which in turn activates the enzyme chymotrypsinogen in the pancreatic juice. The bile contain bile pigments as the breakdown product of the hemoglobin. In the dead RBC, bile salt, cholesterol and phospholipids, but has no enzyme. Bile help in the emulsification of the fat, bile salt, then it reduces the surface tension of the droplets of breakdown. Okay, so this is the important question. You note down the intestine digestion. Protein and the partially digested protein in the chyme, and then it reaching the intestine and act upon the proteolytic enzyme on pancreatic juice. Trypsin hydrolyze. So hydro means water, lysis means kill the protein in the polypeptide and the peptone. While chymotrypsin hydrolyzes peptide bonds, it is associated with the specific amino acids. So the pancreatic amylase convert the glycogen into starch into the maltose. Lipase act as the emulsification fat. So that is a triglyceride. Tri means 3. So the 3 glyceride is present in that. The glucose molecules are there, and then it hydrolyzes them into the free fatty acid and monoglycerides. Mono means single. So tree it will be converted and lysis. So they are killed by that, and it will be converted into the monoglyceride. Single. So 3 it will convert into the single amino. Okay, monoglycerides and further hydrolyzed again in the single molecules, hydrolyzed into the fatty acid and glycerol. So nucleus in the pancreatic juice break the nucleic acid in the nucleoside and nucleosides. Okay, the secretion of the Bernal gland along with the secretion of the intestinal gland constitute the intestinal juice called as succus enterosus. Underline the word, one word they will ask. The enzyme in the intestinal juice, such as what are the enzymes present in the intestinal juice? Maltase, lactase, sucrase, dipeptidase, lipase, nucleosides act as the breakdown product of the bile content. Okay, so maltose, in the presence of maltase enzyme, maltase is the enzyme, where the word is ending at ase means that is enzyme. Okay, maltose, in the presence of maltase enzyme, it converts glucose plus glucose, 2 glucose we are getting. Sucrose, then we can getting the glucose plus fructose. In the enzyme name is sucrase. And lactose is, what is the lactose? And dipeptide, tripeptides. Dipeptide and tripeptide in the presence of peptidase, amino acid form. Lactose means glucose and galactose. So this is important one. Note down and study well. Okay. Next, nucleotides. Nucleotides in the presence of nucleotidase, nucleoside plus phosphoric acid. And nucleoside, sugar plus nitrogen base, diglycerides and monoglycerides in the presence of lipases, fatty acid glycerol form. The mucus along with the bicarbonate ion from the pancreas provide an alkaline medium. So alkaline medium, the point is pH is 7.8. Okay, so alkaline after 7 it is 7 is the neutral, below is acidic. So 7 above the 7 is, that is the alkaline medium. Okay, so as a result of the digestion, all macromolecules, the macromolecules of the food convert into the corresponding monomeric acid. Next, carbohydrates, monosaccharides. This is single saccharides. Carbohydrates is a monosaccharide, single saccharide. What are the present in that? Glucose, fructose, galactose. These 3 monosaccharides. What are the monosaccharides? Glucose, fructose, galactose. Protein is a amino acid. Lipid, what are the content having in the lipid? Fatty acid and glycerol. So carbohydrate is the combination of the glucose, fructose, galactose. Protein is only amino acids. The lipid is the combination of the fatty acid and glycerol. The simple substance thus formed are absorbed the jejunum and ileum. Okay, In this, where it is present in that, in this two present the small intestine. The undigested and unabsorbed substance are propelled into the large intestine. The activities of the gastrointestinal tract are carried out by the neural and hormonal control for proper coordination of different parts. Gastric and intestinal secretion are stimulated by the neural signals. Hormonal control of the secretion of digestive juice is carried out by the local hormone produced by the gastric and the intestinal mucus. So next upcoming class we can see the absorption and assimilation of protein of the carbohydrates and the fats. Thank you, students.